I don't know if you can see me. Making a move. It's a tree again. It's a big tree. Okay, now. Holy shit. There's some big trees out here in the back. Tiki Torch is still standing. Poor swimming pool has so much water. Oh, look at that. See all that water on top? One tree. Another one. Saying that we're going to have a tornado in New York. Wow. Blowing me away. Feel like Dorothy. Which is the west is going to catch me. Wind don't stop. Supposed to get a tornado later. So I'm gonna have to put some lead shoes. Come out here and see the tornado. Joking. For the rest of my life. Tornado. Driving like this, that's for sure. Hopefully everybody's home. I know my sons are. Wow. This is a wind gust. See if I see a tree come down, but you know, nothing near me. Like those over there. The plane. They're flying very low. There's more trees coming down. Look where it landed at. Oh, wow. Wow. Look at that. Another tree came down. Oh, shit. Use my English. Oh, 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 oh. What the hell? Another tree. Holy shit. Oh my God, excuse my English, people. Oh my God. These trees are falling. My swimming pool. I'm worried about my swimming pool. Oh my God. Who am I going to sue? Oh my God. Oh, another one. Look, Frank. Frank, look. Frank. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, oh, oh. Watch out. Oh my God, you missed it. Look. Look. Oh my God. Holy shit. No, man, look at this. My pool. I'm worrying about my pool. Yeah, it's against the fence. It bended the fence. Oh my God. This is why I can't swim. I don't have my thyroid. Are you guys recording this? I'm recording everything. I'm recording everything. I know, look at this one. I'm putting this on YouTube. Wow. Look at her fence. Tree ran right through the fence. You don't mind me recording, right? Without. That's crazy, right? I'm worrying about my pool. Huh? I know. Yeah, it broke. The tree went right through it. The tree went right through it, Frank. Holy shit. I'm worrying about my pool.
What do you think I keep saying? All I worry is about
See if
the
it
pool.
close that in the corner?
Huh?
Close that corner. The other corner is open too. Just be careful with the tree. Oh shit. This one came out again. Don't worry about it. Se la rompieron, ¿ah? Se la rompió. Over here next door, the top. The guy next door, his top got ripped. There's a tree on the other side, right?
Huh?
There's a tree on his side. There's a tree. Hay un árbol ahí. Un árbol. There's a tree on the vegetables. I think there's a tree on your vegetables. Oh no, on this side.
Yeah, I know.
Oh man, it's not from up there.
Yeah, no.
That's
Yeah. I saw it coming down. It's a lot of tree though.
Bueno, lo bloquea ella, man.
I know. The whole fence is all bendy. And then you took out the pipe. See, the pipe is sticking out. So cualquiera could hit yourself in the face. If you don't watch where you're going, yeah.
Like me, I
You're
didn't
gonna have to go
see
around that side. Patrick, really? I gotta do this video. I'm sorry. Patrick, this pipe right here, it came off and it's sticking out here. The pipe. So I told my husband he gotta be careful that he don't go through it. Holy shit. Go ahead, you can put the helmet on, it's safer. It was just too funny. Fine, watch the pipe. Too big? Patrick, too big? Too big? Yeah, but that pipe gotta get fixed. Yeah. Oh. We're gonna have to detach.
a lot of
We gotta attach that pipe back.
Mine says open field.
Really?
Mine's all over. In the back. Look.
What I'm saying, the one that you have right there,
Yeah,
that
that
one.
one.
The big one.
I'm scared I might fall on my pool and break it.
Yeah, right here.
And I can't sue nobody.
You know what's happening when I kept on seeing branches coming down, I said, this shit is gonna pop.
It's crazy. Yeah, he made a hole in the gate on his fence. And that tree is right across his yard. Ahí veo calado.
Yeah, you know my sneakers and they go walk back there by the front of the pool?
Not really. Yeah, give me it. Yeah, give me 1 foot first, this one.
Right. We'll give you the right. And then you go film the back of the pool.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna get closer. Show you the pipe. Hopefully I don't get my eye out. Look at the pipe. Holy shit. Wow, this pipe can't go back in. Whoa. Talking about damage. Holy shit. Oh man. How are we gonna fix this? That branch is big. Look at that. Oh my God. It's big, all right. He ain't lying when he says big. Look at my bend it. Oh, no, let me get out of here. Oh, is this pipe going to bend back in there? There's no way. Look at this house. These shoes.
Huh?
Sneakers are so big. Let's see.
Nothing more.
And see that branch right there? Right there? That's where the tree came down. Right down there.
You seen it, right?
And then that one over there, that one right there fell is the one that's back there.
That's the one that's cracked.
Jesus. That fence is all bent up. Bent up. It's going to be hard to get to because it's vegetable garden. What a tree though, it's huge.
Like this branch.
Holy crap, that was a big branch. And the tree started moving back there, I was scared. I had to come back.
You like that with the camera, and you was right under the tree.
Yeah, I was afraid.
Yeah.
So I came back.
Sacó la bola esa fence.
Yeah. She was inside.
Oh, the branch was in there?
Yeah, this guy Carlos took it out. Wait till I show my son this video.
Looking at it too.
Huh?
Big.
Saw it?
He's right there.
Oh yeah.
Going in and out.
Randy. She sees that it's a freak of nature, not us. Woo! Camera move. It's not raining, it's just windy.